A few days ago, I took the bottom panel off my Alienware 17, and I noticed an empty hard drive slot. I didn't know before ordering my Alienware 17, but I do know now that the Alienware 17 has 3 drive ports. There is one mini SATA port and 2 2.5-inch SATA ports. So, if you choose any hard drive option except the 1.5 terabyte RAID 0 option, you will have a port for an extra 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. I chose the option for a 750 gigabyte hard drive with a 64 gigabyte caching mini SATA hard drive. You can see in Windows both the 750 gigabyte hard drive that my computer came with, as well as the 1 terabyte hard drive that I added when I learned that I could. Also, in the Rapid Storage Technology menu, you can see all 3 hard drives, the 750 gigabyte hard drive, the 64 gigabyte mini SATA hard drive, and the 1 terabyte hard drive I added. Some manufacturers will not include a second hard drive port if you do not order a second hard drive. However, it doesn't look like Dell and Alienware are doing this. It looks to me like no matter what hard drive option you choose, you get 3 hard drive ports. However, I do think it's possible that if you don't order a mini SATA drive, then your Alienware might not have the mini SATA port under the keyboard. I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.